ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च शास्त्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवुन्
ऐवुन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
जभै
जभञ्
घढधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचठथ छटतौ
खपचठथचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
घण्टः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठौष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठौष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशे
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमो रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमो रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामा नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
I'm skipping the to save time. Idamastu sannikristam
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टम्
समीपतरवर्ति च एतदो रूपम्
समीपतरवर्ति च एतदो रूपम्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टम्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टम्
तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्
तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातूपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे नित्या धातूपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
नित्या समासे वाक्ये विवक्षामपेक्षते
सु औजस्
सुऔजस्
औक्षस्
औक्षस्
ताभ्याम्भिस्
ताभ्याम्भिस्
ज्ञेभ्याम्भ्यस्
ज्ञेभ्याम्भ्यस्
नसिभ्याम्भ्यस्
नसिभ्याम्भ्यस्
नस् ओस् आम्
नस् ओस्ताम्
नि ओसुप्
नि ओसुप्
सु औजस्
सुऔजस्
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः
अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः
प्रथमोऽध्यायः what sandhi oh sorry we have not seen that so we are going to see okay prathamo plus adhyayah what's supposed to happen has not happened what's supposed to happen okay that could be my question right that I can ask like that yeah what's supposed to happen prathamo plus adhyayah
वो प्लस
what should have happened
प्रथमोऽध्यायः
it should be
it should be au
Vriddhi.
not vriddhi au o will be replaced by au prathamo plus adhyayah H letter followed by H, but it has not happened. Post mic some making noise. So Prathamo, yeah, it has not happened. It means there is an exception to it. You will see that. Anyway, now 36, shloka number 36. Nihatyadartarashtrannah
निहत्यधार्तराष्ट्रान्नः
का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दन
प्रीतिस्याज्जनार्दन
पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान्
पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान्
अद्वैतानाततायिनः प्रीतिः श्रीलिंगा का प्रीतिः श्रीलिंगा what प्रीतिः श्रीलिंगा का प्रीतिः स्यात् प्रीतिः means प्रीधातु love प्रीतिः श्रीलिंगा प्रीतिः नियतिः मतिः बुद्धिः गतिः right all these natiः so ka pritihi syat what pleasure we get by killing this that's anyway that is meaning is not important ka pritihi you can understand ka pritihi srilinga right janardana is sambodhana similarly here also when you split.
Syat and Janardana.
Syat, it is. Hatvaitan. Then Atatayinaha is that. Atatayi means one who has committed all the sixfold crimes. These Kauravas have done that we will see. Atatayin. That's a different Shabda. Don't think Atatayinaha is there like Rama Shabda. Not like that. We are not interested in that. Hatvaita. Atvaitan. So here, Etan is there. What could be the other word? Yes. What's Sandhya? That is, you can say that. By seeing I, you can infer it is Vriddhi Sandhi. I, Hatvai, Etan. Etan is Uttarapadam. Therefore, Purapadam must be ending with what letter?
A. Oh.
Not A.
Or
When we say Vriddhi Sandhi, Avarna followed by H. Pura Uttarapadam, I already said Etan. Etan is what Shabda? Eshaha, Eto, Yete, Etam, Etau, Etan, Jutiya, Bhagavad, Etan. That already I said for your to help you. Etan. Then you can easily infer the first word. Hatva, there is no Atva, Hatva. Long. Drishtva, Hatva, Atva, Etan. Adding, killing these people. Who are they? They are Atatayis. These people who have committed the sixfold crimes. The sixfold crimes like taking away the land, taking away one's wife, and burning them with the fire and poisoning them. So there is our shloka is that mentioned all the sixfold crimes. Even any one is done, it is Adatai, but Duryodhana is so famous. The Kauravas, they have done all the sixfold crimes. Like our modern here, Tamil Nadu government. Okay. So next one. 37. Tasma narha vayam hantum. Dhartarashtran swabandhavan. Swajanam hi katham hatva. This is the word hatva.
Swajanam hi katham hatva.
Sukinasyama madhava. Dhartarashtran. What vibhakti, what vachanam? Swabandhavan. Should say by linking with the master Shabda. Raman. Yes. Dhartarashtra Pradipadikam, Swabandhava Pradipadikam. Swabandhavaha, Swabandhav, Swabandhavaha. Then Swabandham, Swabandhav, Swabandhava is a Pradipadikam, sorry. Swabandhavaha, Swabandhavau, Swabandhavaha, Swabandhavam, Swabandhavau, Swabandhavan. Okay. Madhava.
Sambodhana.
Dhava means Patihi. Ma is Lakshmi. Lakshmiyaha Patihi, Lakshmi Patihi, Madhava. Okay. Yadyab etena pashyanti.
Yadyapyetena pashyanti.
Lobho pahata chetasaha.
Lobho pahata chetasaha.
Kulakshayakrutam dosham.
Kulakshayakritam dosham.
Mitradrohe cha patakam.
Mitradrohe cha patakam.
Now, tell me the Sandhi. I give the first word, Loba. What is the following one? Find out what letter is here.
Upahata.
Upahata. Because O is there. O is Guna letter.
Guna Sandhi.
Therefore, Guna Sandhi. Avarna followed by the Guna letter. What are the Guna letters? A, and O.
A-E-O-R.
That's okay. I will learn a little bit. But here, it cannot be because O is O. Therefore, Guna Sandhi. Avarna plus
O. Udata.
Avarna plus not O. Avarna plus O will be Vriddhi.
Yes.
Avarna plus ik letter. That both will be replaced by a guna letter.
Yes.
Not followed by O. Understand? Don't do that mistake.
Yes,
Be
yes.
alert. And here also another good place to see. Yadyap yete. Yadi. Then, yeah, very good. Yadi plus api, what's Sandhi?
Yan.
Yens.
Yens Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
Api plus yete.
Yan.
Again.
Again,
Yan.
Yan Sandhi.
Again Yens Sandhi. Yete what vachanam? What vibhakti?
एषः एतौ
एषः
मन्त्री
Yeah, mantri.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतत्
That's okay.
प्रथमा
Fine.
बहुवचनं
Then pashyanti, Bhagavachanam is ete pashyanti, na pashyanti. These people do not see, right? That's the meaning. Okay. Katam nageyamasmabhihi papadasman nivartitum kulakshayakritam dosham prapashyadbhirjanardana Janardana, that's not correct. Janardana. Prapashyadbhirjanardana. This is short, always it is samvrita. When you say Janardana, means it becomes vivrita. Then it refers to akara. Even if you stretch, it cannot become dirgha. Is always rasta. Okay. Here, papat. What is papat? What vivakti? What vachanam?
Rama Shabdavat.
Rama.
Rama Shabdavat. Panchame Ekavachanam.
Rama. Not 4. Somebody said 4. Rama here. Okay.
5-1.
5-1.
fourth.
Yeah. You simply say 5-1, 4-1, 3-1, easy. Otherwise, you will say Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Rama Shabdaha, then Rama. Let's say 5-3. You know all those things. You can say 5-3, 4-3, 2-3 like that. Okay. Kulakshaye pranashyanti. Kuladharma sanatanaha. Dharme nashte kulam kritsnam. Adharmo bhibhavatyuta. Bhavatyuta, abhibhavati. Then what is other word?
Uta.
Uta. What Sandhi?
Yan.
Yan Sandhi. Yan Sandhi.
First discuss and come to conclusion. What Sandhi?
Yan Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
Lock कर दिया? Lock करेंगे? Final answer?
Yes.
E
Or
plus U.
phone
Chakara is coming, so Yan Sandhi.
E
or phone a
plus
friend.
U. E plus U.
Lock panilama, lock.
Phone a friend for calling you only, Sharan.
Okay. It is Yan Sandhi. Bhavati plus Uta. Yakara is that. So immediately you should connect with Yan Sandhi. How Yakara will come? From somewhere Yakara, how it will come? It will come only when Yan Sandhi happens. So Bhavati I said already, Abhi Bhavati. Then Yakara is that. So which place Yakara must have come? Abhi Bhavati, that E is replaced by Yakara. So Yakara you take with the Purvapadam. Then what is left out? Uta, Yuta, Uta, that alone, Yan Sandhi. Okay, Kuladharmaha, what vibhakti? Sanatanaha, what vibhakti?
1-3.
1-3.
Exactly, 1-3, very good. Okay. Okay. So you can see, you can like that, you can read Gita and then understand some simple, but not, it's not that you can, the vibhakti you can clearly ascertain at this point, but it's okay. Whatever it is, you can, if you guess closely also, it's fine. Okay. Akara deva niryanti.
Akaradeva niryanti.
Samastani aksharani cha.
समस्तान्यक्षराणि च
चराचर प्रपञ्चोऽयम्
चराचर प्रपञ्चोऽयम्
ईश्वरादेव जायते
जायते
அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதிபகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. திருக்குறள். திருக்குறள் first shloka is translated into Sanskritam. I have not done. The entire Tirukkural is translated in Sanskritam, in fact. So here, akarat. Akarat. What vibhakti? Just say 5-1.
5.
1-5. 1-5 I have to add, then I have to discover another language. 1-5, 1-6, 1-7, 1-8. Will go on like that. Up to 3 only maximum. Other way.
Oh,
Denominator only up to 3. Numerator up to 8. Okay. What is 11-15 then? Not there. Okay. Samastanyaksharaani cha. Aksharani uttarapadam. What could be the purvapadam?
Aksharam.
Please listen to what I'm saying. Okay. Aksharani. Samastani.
And Sandhi.
Already I said Aksharani. Pinnadi irukku. Aksharani. Aksharani சொன்ன அர்த்தம். இருக்கு. Yeah. It is already there. Aksharani. What is the purvapadam you have to find out? I know you cannot find out difficult. That's why I give one word and trying to find out the other word. By what sandhi is that? Ya is there. Ya must have come in the place of Ekara, must have come in the place of Ikara. Therefore, when you split, it is Samastani. Aksharani. You will see all your brain wires are active now. It is what Sanskritam does. Okay. This is nothing, the beginning only. And later when you learn other things, then you will see. So, Samastani Aksharani. Okay, then Charachara Prapanchoyam. This sandhi. O plus A. Prapancho plus Ayam. What sandhi is supposed to happen? It has not happened here. What sandhi is supposed to happen?
Vritti sandhi.
Vriddhi. Come on.
No.
O plus
Ayadi should have happened.
H letter followed by Ayadi sandhi. It has not happened. Ushaji, what is the question?
Samasta Anya Aksharani. Can that be?
Samasta Anya. That is Samastani, the word is there. Samastani is, okay, Aksharani is what vibhakti, what vachanam? You know it.
Yeah.
What?
Akshare Aksharani.
Aksharam Akshare.
Aksharani.
1-3.
What is the pratipadikam? Like what shabda?
Akshara Shabda.
Like what
Palam.
shabda?
Palam.
I'm asking Ushaji. Ushaji is trying to make her say, because she is the one who asked this question. She should answer. Ushaji. When you ask question, you should be ready with the answer. When the question, I may ask question, you have to answer. So it is
Palani.
So when you ask this question, I understand that already you know Pala Shabda thoroughly. Okay. Pala Shabda you must know, otherwise how will you find out Aksharani is Pala Shabdavat? See, the Shabdas, what you know, you should connect with those Shabdas. Aksharani, where it is there, like that Aksharani, the word in the Shabda, what you have learned, like starting from Rama Shabda, only in Pala Shabda. So Pala Shabdavat you have to say, right? So if you connect with the Pala Shabda, then half of the job is done. So Aksharani is there, then other padam is Samastani. Samastani, like what Shabda again?
Again, Phalam Phale Phalani.
Exactly. So what is the pratipadikam Samastani?
Samasta.
Then if it is Samasta, how do you decline then? Pala Shabdavat, decline?
Phalam Phale Phalani. Samastam. It should be Samastam then.
You decline. Say.
Samastam, Samaste, Samastani.
You yourself say Samastani. Then where is Anya there?
Okay.
Not there. There is one word, one padam.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Samasta is a word. From where the Anya comes. Palani, suppose if it is there. In Palani, you will say Anya, the word Palani plus Aksharani, Palani Aksharani, Pala plus Anya. Do you see like that? No.
Yes.
Palani. Same thing here also. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Prapanchoyam. What is prapanchoyam? What sandhi is supposed to happen? Ayadi sandhi. Doesn't happen. Therefore, that we will see. Like Pratamodhyayaha. This is prapanchoyam. But what is ayam? Ayam you must be knowing. Ayam is
This
Idam Shabda.
One,
what?
no?
What?
Idam
One of
Shabda.
what?
Idam Shabda.
Idam Shabda.
Idam Shabdasya Pratama Ekavachanam. Right? Then last line. Ishwarat.
Ishvara.
What?
5-1.
5-1. That much.
5-1.
5-1. Like Rama Shabda. Ishwarat. Akarat. Right? Now, Niryanti means comes out, emerges. All the aksharas have come from Akara, the first letter. The first letter is a source of all the letters. In fact, in some Upanishad, Akaro Vai Devaha, that Akara, this Omkara is referred to as Akara. Akara. So that Akara is that first letter is the source of all the letters, from which all the letters have come. Similarly, Ishwarat, from the Lord alone, Jayate, born. What? This Chara Chara Prapancha, this Prapancha, this Jagat, consisting of Chara and Achara, moving and non-moving. What Sandhi here? It's a compound. Chara, Savana Dirga. Understand? Sandhi is a must or not? Chara Chara and the compound.
Yes.
It's a must
It
or
is.
not? It is.
It's a
Nitya.
must.
Samhitaika Pade Nitya.
Must.
Ekapade. Nitya Samase. Nitya Samase. Samase Nitya Bhavati Samgita. Understand? That's what we chant. Right? Okay. One test. Quickly we can do this. You have to tell the answer. Each one of you.
Ayyo, Jampishar.
Ayyova. Don't say beginning itself Ayyo enna pandrathu. That Sanskritame from I don't. Tayoho. Arvindji, starting from you, because I see you as a first person now. Tayoho. What vibhakti, what vachanam?
Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam 6-2.
Or
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu 7-2.
what Shabda? You tell all. What Shabda and what Linga, what vibhakti, what vachanam? This is
Saha Taute.
That's okay. What Shabda? What's the Pratipadikam?
Tad Dakarantaha Tad Shabdaha Pullingaha.
Dakarantaha, not only Pullinga. It is Napumsakalinga. Possible, why not? Shabda should be thoroughly memorized. Okay. Or you want a time? Next class we'll do.
No, we'll do it now. We keep postponing this.
Okay. Then you have got 5 seconds to answer.
Or then we'll do next class.
Because you cannot take, I cannot pull out the answer from you. You must be thorough with the Shabdas. Okay. Or if I ask openly, then everybody will show. That is why I'm asking each one of you.
We'll do next class.
Next class. Please come prepared with the Shabda. Shabda Jnanam is very important. Otherwise, how will you identify the Vibhakti, Vachanam, what Pratipadikam? So, a lot of exercises are there. Identifying the cases. We will do. I will not share this document. You come prepared. So, you have to find out. Okay. So, we'll do it in the next class.
Yes.
Please study. We don't have time to chant all the Shabdas in all the classes. Not possible. We can chant only few Shabdas. So I expect, the list of Shabdas which you must be familiar with, that I given now already.
Yes.
Even Chindraji has indicated that, the group you can see.
Yes.
Checklist, yeah, the checklist. Please go by the checklist and memorize all the Shabdas. Okay, now let us chant. See, I'm going at this Shabdas and I'm not rushing. So it stays still we are with the Rama Shabda only. I'm not further put on to the other Shabda. So this is the right time to memorize the Shabda. Don't postpone. These are the useful tools. If you don't have the shabdas, by heart, it's very difficult later. You won't be able to understand. Okay, now let's chant the shabda. If you have not memorized Rama Shabda, please do it. Akarantaha Strilingaha Rama Shabdaha
आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमाशब्दः
Rama Rame Ramaha
Rama Rame
रमाः
Ramam Rame Ramaha
रमे रमाः
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramabihi
Ramaya Ramabihi
Ramaye Ramabhyam Ramabhyah Ramayaha Ramabhyam Ramabhyah Ramayaha Ramayoho Ramanam Ramayam Ramayoho Ramasu He Rame He Rame He Ramaha So next for five or maybe classes, we will do only this Shabda and Sandhi. I will teach Oma Sandhi. We will do a lot of exercise on that. So you got enough time to, know this thoroughly. Okay. Now let's quickly this. Up followed by Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, right? Ik followed by Asavarna Ach, Yan Sandhi. Avarna followed by Ik letter, what Sandhi?
Guna.
Guna Sandhi. What are Guna letters? Must be known, right? A, E, O. Avarna followed by H letter.
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Not A, A, O. Who says A, A, O? A, I, O. Okay. Know what Vriddhi, not Guna. Otherwise, you won't be able to spot the Sandhi. Right? What are Vriddhis? Vriddhi Varna. And also, when does Vriddhi Sandhi happens? Avarna followed by H. And H letter followed by H letter. Ayadi Sandhi. A will be replaced by I, O will be replaced by O. I will be replaced by I and O will be replaced by O. These five Sandhis. Then further we say Yakara, Vakara at the end of a Padam. You know what is a Padam? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is a Padam?
Prakriti.
Huh?
Noun base.
Prakriti plus pratyaya.
Noun base is a Padam. Right?
Noun base.
Then what is a noun form? If noun base is a Padam, then what is noun form?
Padam is noun.
Shabdam.
Noun base is not a Padam. Noun base is Shabda Pratipadikam.
Noun base is Shabda. Prakriti. Yes.
Noun base is Pratipadikam, Prakriti. Okay. Noun base cannot be a Padam. Noun form is a Padam. What is Padam? What is Prakriti? It should be very clear.
Yes.
Padam, when you can say Subantam Padam, that which ends with a Sub Pratyaya is Subantam Padam, which ends with Ting Pratyaya, Tinganta Padam, Kriya Padam. Only two are there. There are no other Padams. Okay. A Padam can be either a Subantam or Tingantam. Either from a Pratipadikam or from a Dhatu. Only two. There is no other thing. This is Suptingantam Padam. Padam should be clear. If you don't know what Padam is, then you don't know, you will not understand this. Padam only should be used in the language. Can we use Pratipadikam, Prakriti, Dhatu? No. A Padam you cannot use.
With pratyaya.
With Pratyaya. Pratyaya gives a meaning to the word. Pratyaya has got meaning. It's a Pratyaya artha is that. What vachanam, what vibhakti, all those things, what purusha, etc. So that is padam. That padam ending with yakara or vakara. That's why I say padanta yakara. Padanta is padasya anta. At the end of the padam, yakara or vakara at the end of the padam, followed by a prakriti, a pradipadikam. That also must be a padam, right? If purva is a padam, what about the uttara? Uttara also must be a padam only, right? So the padam, uttara padam, beginning with ach. Then what will happen? This yakara, this vakara, or vakara, what? That will become lopaha optionally. That becomes lopaha optionally. After the lopa, don't do further sandhi. Further sandhi could be a savana dirgha or guna or vriddhi, whatever it is. Don't do it. You have to, that's lopa, you have to do it. Just it. That you have to stop. Understand? Further sandhi should not be done. Understand? Any doubt in these rules? We are going to see the rules, a lot of examples. Okay, it's not that sandhi is over. But these are the 5 important sandhis we learn in the beginning. And one more sandhi is there that I will teach. After that, we will be doing only exercises. Now see, the pratamo dhyayaha charachara prapanchoyam, how does it come, you see? Now, I type here, I'm going to replace this. Please see and ask question answer. Now, you tell me, what is the eng pratyahara? What are the contents of eng? Come
A
on.
and O.
A and O, right? H stands for
A-O,
All the conjunct vowels.
exactly, we can say conjunct vowels, sanyukta swaraha.
A-O-I-O.
And what about eng? Only A and
O.
O.
A-O.
A and O. This ekara or okara, now you see, at the end of a padam. At the end of a padam. Right? This eng, is it not a subset of H? Yes, or no?
Yes.
So I'm taking a subset from H and giving another condition, padanta. This doesn't have padanta condition. Does it have? No. Let's say example, last class, ne plus aka, pau plus aka and all we saw.
Yes.
So now what I'm doing, I'm taking a subset of H, that is eng, and condition is a padanta eng. Padanta eng means?
the Purva Pada must end with either A or O.
Yes. Purvapadam anta, ending with eng letter, A or O. Followed by, you see, followed by what? Followed by a padam beginning with akara. Only rasvakara. Please note. Followed akaradi. I say akaradi. Akara is, akara itself is enough. Why adi? Okay. Akaraha. You need to understand. Padanta eng, purva padam ending with eng letter, followed by the uttara padam beginning with akara means akara is the first letter of the following. Don't take literally akara follows. Okay. Akara is the first letter of the following. Can I? Okay. I will write like this. At. See, one another technical thing I'm saying. When I say please listen. This I already taught you. It's not new. We discussed it. A stands for how many letters?
The nasalized sounds.
18.
Exactly. A stands for all the 18. 18 what? What are they called?
Vowels.
No. What is it? What are they called? 18.
18.
I think all of you will do some homework. You should study. Go back in previous classes notes.
Savarna.
Savarna.
Exactly. Savarna letters. 18 Savarna letters are there, right? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
What about for Ikara? 18. Ukara, 18. Have you seen or not all those things? You have seen,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
What about Rikara? How many Savarna it has?
Only.
Only
Rikara has 18.
Kara is also 18.
30, sir.
Surplus.
R and L.
Yeah. Both are Savarna, therefore 18 plus 12,
18 plus
30.
12. Correct.
Similarly, Likara has got how many Savarna? Again,
Lit-
30.
30.
30 only.
30.
Anyway, we are not interested in this Likara and Likara. I'm interested only in this Akara, which has got 18 Savarna, right? Now, when I say, just say it's a technical thing. Please follow. You will not be able to understand. See, if I say stands for
18.
all the 18 Savarna. It means forget about Udata, Anudata, Sparita. That is in the Veda, not required, right? And further about nasalize, that also in the language we don't see, not required. So the main thing what we have to consider, we don't have to consider when we study the language grammar, we don't have to consider the Udata, Anudata, Swarita, that Anunasika vowel, we don't have to consider. What we need to consider? Rasvakara,
Dirgha, Pluta.
Dirgha. Only these two. Pluta also will not participate. Sandhi, there is another rule is there by which Pluta is also dismissed. Pluta will not participate in Sandhi. Thank God it is not there. Yes. Yes, saved. Otherwise, Pluta Sandhi will come. One more Sandhi, Pluta Sandhi. Thank God it is not there. Only these two letters are there. For all our practical purposes, we can consider A stands for Akara, Akara. You understand? Because other Savana will not participate in Sandhi. Either because of Swara or nasalize, there's no scope in Sandhi. Pluta is ruled out. Pluta Sandhi is not there in the language. That's another rule by which Pluta will not participate in Sandhi. So therefore, it can A and A. Now, when I say A, does it include A? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. When I say A, it is included.
Oh, okay. Yeah, correct.
But when I add one letter Takara, then it restricts only the Akara, doesn't include Akara. That is the purpose of adding Takara. That's a rule, in fact. Taparaha Tatkalasya. When I want to denote only that particular letter, I can add Takara. So it is maybe in the beginning all these things not together, but I'm giving extra so that you can you can follow logically, you can understand what I say, right? Suppose if I say it means not it letter. Don't confuse with it letter. What is it means in this context?
Only Rasva E.
Only E. Ut is
Only Rasva.
Rit.
Rit.
Not Ritik. Okay. Not Ritik Roshan. Rit is only Rikara. Understand? So, can I write At here?
Yes, sir.
At means
Rasva.
Rasva,
only
A.
Rasvakara. Is it clear, Samyaji?
Yes.
Samyaji is only Upalakshana. Samya stands for all. Okay. Randomly, I have to pick up one and ask it. Is it clear? Ushaji? After some time, you will ask question. Please ask now if you have. After you go to another topic,
Can you
suddenly the question
explain
about the
once again?
Are you in the class, right? Are you doing any parallel activity?
In the class, but
Are you doing multiple activities? Don't do. Be
no,
focused
no.
on only in the class. Keep aside other things. Okay, please listen. Avarna, when I say it stands for both Rasva and Dirgha. Okay, in general. Not only Akara, Ikara, Ukara, whatever it is. By adding the letter Takara, specifically Takara, not any other letter, we are limiting only to that letter. It means we cannot bring the Savarna of that letter. It means here, At when I say, it is not A. That is the following word beginning with the letter A only, Rasvakara. Understand? This is what I said. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes or no, Ushaji?
Yes, yes.
Yes. The following padam beginning with is understood because it's Uttara. Uttara
Yes.
padam, right? Therefore, first letter of the following. Sandhi will happen between the last letter of the first and the first letter of the following. Yes or no? That's what
Yes.
Sandhi is. Not the first letter of the first word and last letter of the following.
Yes.
Both that way. That there is no connecting thing, right? First letter of the last letter of the first and first letter of the following. So the first letter of the following must be only Hrasva Akara. That is what. Otherwise, if this is confusing, I have to say like this: Hrasva A. Which is better? Whichever is better, you can take. Both you can understand.
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Anyway, anything you can say, it's your choice. Rasva A can be referred to by At. Is it clear? Yes,
Yes.
Arvindji.
Savarnas only to Hrasva we can use only the as the limiting.
Yes, limiting factor that limits.
Nothing else works. Only is what we use.
Only Takara, not the.
Only Takara. Correct.
Yes.
Do we have a specific name for that? Takara? Like
Takara.
in Maheshwara Sutra, generally we say the packaging letter is it, no? Similarly, do we
This
have
is
any?
also this is also Itha letter only.
Okay.
Takara also Itha letter. Is it a part of the one? No.
No, yes.
The
Yes.
content of At is A only. This is also It. See, It is not only Maheshwara Sutra. The It, the Sanya, is defined in many sutras. In fact, there are so many other Itha letters that we have to see. You will see slowly. This is also It. Yes, Sundaraji.
Sharanji, just slightly lower, you wrote Rit. So now we know R and L are Savarna. So do we consider only R because it is mentioned R, or will it also be equivalent to L?
We don't such application in the language. Likara coming there, not much. So I don't have to worry. I just said it means Rikara only.
Okay. Okay.
Only to that matra. Live also, but if this is the question, even if it is not there in the language, Likara also can be included. That's what it means. Only that matra alone. This is Rasva. A means Rasva letter alone. Suppose, okay. At, this is not required. At means very clear, it is only A. Okay. At is only A. See, in the Maheshwara Sutra, A is there. A stands for Dirgha, Pluta, all this. If A is there, it is only A only. We don't have to add Takar unnecessary.
Okay.
Suppose in the language, suppose in the Sutra, suppose if it is there, then we say this is for the sake of Ucharanam. In the context, in the place, without Takara, the Sutra cannot be read. The Ucharana, only for the sake of pronunciation, it is added. This is also Itha letter. This is also Itha letter. There are places where Takara is added. Not all the places Takara is there, it is a delimiting, it is limiting factor. No, not like that. Sometimes it is for the sake of Ucharana. Okay. All these are out of scope. Don't worry about that. If you don't understand that, be happy with Rasva. Both are okay. I don't know why I said At. I think before I said this, I should have come down to your level and then but I forgot. I used technical word by mistake. Then I myself got caught. Okay, anyway, Rasva is better. If you don't understand, because other things are not required to the beginning. But what to do? My mind thinks on the Sutra way. At Taparaha.
I think it's okay. We have understood it now.
Yes, understood it. See, Father, you should know what Savarna is. Without Savarna, I will ask a question about Savarna. Then you have to tell correctly. Otherwise, I will teach Savarna what Savarna is again. It's okay. For me, no problem. I will do it again. But we should have avoided that anyway. So Rasvakara. So now you see, coming back to Sandhi. So Padantayeng followed by Rasvakara. Is this not, please see, comes under this H plus H, yes or no? This possibility, is it not covered in Ayadi Sandhi?
So,
Ushaji, do you understand what I'm asking?
Yes.
Ushaji, yeah. Prakash, it's very good. Right.
Yes,
Your
yes,
response.
yes.
What did I say? What did I say? What did I say?
H is A O I.
Okay. Ushaji,
Start
let
of
Ushaji answer. If she doesn't answer, you will answer. Yeah. Ushaji, you answer.
Sharanji, I can't answer. Let someone else do it.
Let someone learn Sanskritam then. Right? Okay, what to do?
No.
Okay. See, you have to understand. Understanding is important. If understanding is
I
not clear
understood
or
that
if you don't understand,
Padanta plus
okay, anyway, it's all done. No problem. If you don't answer, it's not a problem. But if you don't understand, I will explain again. That is why I asked you. This possibility is covered in H plus H. Padanta Yang, when you say Yang is a subset of H. Here we don't have any condition, Pada or Padanta. Do we have any condition? No, it is open. It includes everything. But here a specific condition, Padanta is number one. And Yang is a subset of H. And following letter is Rasvakara, right here.
Yes.
Which is again subset of H.
Correct.
This is what I asked. Did it have any big thing? Which is not rocket science, simple. Padanta Yang plus Rasvakara is a subset of H plus H.
Correct.
Brinjal is a vegetable, subset of vegetable, yes or no?
Yes.
It's a big question. Brinjal is vegetable only. That's what I asked. Okay. So this now, because it is subset, do we apply the rule Ayadi Sandhi here? No. Even this specific condition is given, then what we do is the last letter of the first. What is the letter? Yang.
Yang.
Followed by
Uh,
the first letter of the following, which is A.
Kara.
Both, please read. Please see, both will be replaced by the following. Both will be replaced by what letter? The following. Following letter is what? Akara. We call this as Pararupa. Pararupa, following form will replace. The Sandhi is called Pararupa Sandhi. Therefore, here, Purva Parayogo Sthane, both in the place of preceding and succeeding, what will be the Adesha? Pararupaha. Understand? Now you see the example. Pratamo Adhyayaha. Pratamo Adhyayaha is Padam or not? Any difficulty in finding out is a Padam or not? Ushaji, tell me, what is it? It's a Padam or not?
it is a Padam.
How do you know it's a Padam? Ushaji will answer.
Because this is noun form.
Noun form is English translation of Padam. I'm asking, how do you know this is the Padam?
There is a pratyaya, supratyaya to the noun form, noun
Where
base.
is that? Do you see that?
Adhyaya, adhyayah. So,
If I do it like that, I think next class will not come. Where is the pratyaya here? Visarga is there. That is the pratyaya.
okay.
Form of that pratyaya. Whatever may be the pratyaya, doesn't matter. What is the pratipadikam? Rama. When you decline, Ramaha.
Okay.
Ramaha Visarga.
Correct.
Visarga is a form of
Visarga
that
is a
pratyaya.
pratyaya.
What pratyaya? I'm not asking. I'm not asking Suvoja, Sammocha, Tabyabis among the 24 pratyayas. Which pratyaya I'm not asking.
Aha is the pratyaya.
Pratyaya. Visarga is a sign form of the pratyaya. Whatever may be the pratyaya. Therefore, this is a padam. Yes or no?
Yes.
And what about pratamo? Will it not be a padam?
That is also a Padam.
Must be a padam. Whatever may be. We're not interested what padam, what is that it is. Pratama means don't think it is okara and all. It's a padam, whatever it is. So this first word, Purva Padam, ending with what letter? A, sorry, O. Ang letter, which is O.
O.
Followed by the Uttara Padam beginning with the letter
A.
So
Plus
therefore, Pratam plus O plus A, then Adhyayaha, right? Both the Purva and Para will be replaced by
Following.
By what?
Following.
By the following. Sorry, what did I say? Both the Purva and Purva Rupa Sandhi. Sorry, by mistake I said. Both the Purva Rupa. Purva Parivastare, Purva Adesha Bhavati. Not Paraha. Sorry, Kamitam.
Ah.
Okay, I confused with something else. Both the Purva and Para will be replaced by Purva. What is the Purva?
Oh.
Oh.
Okara is Purva Rupa Sandhi. Okay, not Para Rupa Sandhi. Kshamita. So, therefore, Dhyayaha. What happened to Akara? Akara is elided. That elision we show it by the sign Avagraha. It need not be there. We can show so that we can split. Okay. Both the Purva and Para will be replaced by the Yang letter. What Yang? Padanta Yang. Therefore, the Sandhi is called Purva Rupa Sandhi. So, Purva Rupa, Purva Parayogosthane, in the place of both the preceding and succeeding, Purva will be the Adesha. Purva is preceding. Parasandhi also is a Pararupa. That we will see later. But here it is Pururupa. Now, what is the connection of Sambandha between this and this? Now, the situation is here, Pratamo plus O. This is H letter, followed by H letter. Therefore, we can apply Ayadi Sandhi or this Pururupa Sandhi, right? We can apply this or this. Which one you will apply?
Second one.
Why? Because this is exception. This is Apavada, exception. Whenever two rules can be simultaneously applied, it can be applied in a given context or applicable in a given context, right? That which is Apavada always, it takes precedence. Understand? Apavada, this is Apavada. Why it is called Apavada? This is a subset of this, right? When otherwise, if you don't apply this, always this will apply. Then why we require this rule? Not required at all, right? It's meaningless. So Apavada always takes precedence over general rule, Utsarga. Understand? Apavada rule. Apavada means exception. Apavada always takes precedence over Utsarga. Utsarga means general rule. Utsarga. Apavada always takes precedence. Now, which is Apavada, which is Utsarga?
Padanta ing
Purvarupa Sandhi
is
Apavada.
Purva Rupa Sandhi is Apavada.
Purva Ayadi Sandhi is Utsarga.
Apavada.
And Padanta, this Ayadi Sandhi is Utsarga, Purva Rupa is Apavada. Yes, Somyaji.
Yeah, can you please explain again, when do we use the exception?
Exception should be used first. Not when.
Okay. Okay.
Exception should be used. Now I give an example. Let all the students be given orange fruit. Okay. Let Soumya be given apple. Then what you will get? Will you get both orange and apple? What you will get?
This
You, all the students get orange, but let Soumya get apple. Then what you will get? Apple. Apavada. Except Soumya, all other people be given orange. Simple. You will not get both, okay? You will get only one. Not either or. You will have no choice. You will get only apple.
Okay.
Others will get orange. Same thing here, same logic. Right?
Okay.
We follow.
Yeah.
That is the exception. That is the exception. Without
It is
teacher,
like
without Acharya, Acharyavan Purushaha Veda, in Vedanta we say, right? Those who have Acharya, they know the truth. That is Utsarga. But even there is no Apavada there. Even Apavada is that, for that we give another interpretation. But there are some people who without teacher has gained Jnanam. Like Ramana Maharshi. We don't see his guru. But we cannot say like that. He must have a guru in his Purva Janma. So in fact, it is not even an exception. But anyway, don't consider it as Purva Janma. Suppose, it is only supposing, okay, not real condition. Is exception. We can't follow the exception. Because Ramana Maharshi has got Jnanam without guru. Can we all also get without guru can get Jnanam? We are not. He is an exception. Exceptions are exceptions only. Understand? But Vedanta, there is no exception. For that also we give the answer. He must have been a Shrotriya in the previous Janma. Maybe a Yoga Brashta. Then this Janma, he became a Jnani, like Jadabharata. We have many examples like that in the Shastra, right? Similarly here also. That is in the Shastra. Now in the Vyakaran also we have exceptions. Okay, Apavada always takes precedence over Utsarga. Now Pratamodhyayaha, same way Charachara Prapanchoyam. Okay, understand? Only these many sandhis I want you to learn thoroughly. How many sandhis? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, we will add more sandhi. There are a lot of examples to be practiced. We have got. We will do it. After that, I've told you everything. Okay. Slowly we will digest, assimilate this by doing examples. Don't feel frightened, no? Like Arjuna saying the Vishwarupa Darshanam. Arvindji, what's the question?
Is there something called Pararupa Sandhi also?
Yeah, it's there. By mistake, I instead of Purva, somehow the
Okay.
para came.
No,
Then
that's
I
okay.
also took the para. I carried over by my. I don't know why Pararupa came. Pararupa Sandhi also is there.
That's all.
That's only Pararupa Sandhi. Parat Para, Parameshti, and not there. Okay. Only Pararupa Sandhi. Yes. Is it clear? Now let's quickly see.
So when we look at this in terms of Sthani and Adeshaha, in case
Yeah.
of
Yeah, tell me
Purvarupa
what is a Sthani? What is a Sthani?
Sthani is that which doesn't change, which is
No.
Parapada first
What is
letter.
no? What is Sthani here? What is okay? What is the general definition of a Sthani?
Which is replaced.
Yeah, that's it. Sthani means placeholder, that which is replaced. Here, what are replaced or what is replaced? In the Sandhi, what is replaced?
At this replaced.
No.
Look at an example.
Not at is replaced, no?
Egg.
What is
Can
replaced?
we look at it with an example?
I've given already, it is there on the very screen. What is replaced? I've written in Sanskritam.
Both.
Exactly. Purva Parayoga Sthane. Purva is Purva, preceding. Para is following. Purva Parayogo, Shashti Vibhakti Vivachanam. In the place of both the preceding and succeeding, I said.
Correct.
You have to be with all ears, all of you. Please listen. I don't mention every time Sthani, but it is there. I've written Purva Parayogo Sthane. In the place of both the preceding and succeeding. What is Adesha then?
Padanta Purva. Purva Padanta.
No. Just a Purva. It's okay. Purva Rupam. The form of the preceding. What is the form of the preceding? Yang.
Yang.
That is the Adesha in the place of both. It means in the example, Purva is O, Pratamo, Para is A. In the place of both the preceding and succeeding, Purva Parayogo Sthane, Purva Rupaha, O, that is Yang letter, Purva Rupaha, Adeshaka Bhavati. Is it clear? For every Sandhi, I have written here. It's in Sanskrit I have written, yeah.
Then how do we say that it even got replaced? If the same thing which was there continued to be there, how do we say it got replaced with the same thing again?
Why not? You get up from a seat and you come and sit the same seat. Right?
I didn't follow.
You get up from the bus, one seat is there, from the window seat. Again, you come back and sit in the same seat. Don't you sit in the same seat or you will find another seat? Same thing here also, why not? So here also replacement only, right? Previously, it was seated in the place of Purva. Now it occupies both. So Purva, it is also, that should be considered as replacement only. Not that always something new has to come. You remember in the introduction I said, either the last letter can be replaced or the first letter can be replaced or the both can be replaced or something can come, all those things. Here also it is replaced. Okay, because I said Purva Rupa. Suppose if I said Purva Rupa, if I say Yang letter will replace. In that way also it is okay. Same thing. Purva and Para will be replaced by Yang letter. For example, if I say Purva and Para will be, let me call it as a Yang Sandhi. Doesn't matter. This is just for explaining, I'm saying Yang Sandhi. What is Yang Sandhi? Purva letter is Yang and Para letter is A. Both will be replaced by Yang letter. Now, which one you will choose? Among these two, which one is the right choice? Tell me. Swayamvara. Both will be replaced by what letter? You got only Yang Sandhi, like Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi. You choose one among the Guna, one among the Vriddhi. Similarly, one among the Yang letter you have to choose. Which one you will select?
Oh.
Right option. Huh? Why not A? A is Kantatalu. O is Kanta Oshta. Already we have Kanta Oshta O. And I is also Kanta. So both will be replaced by O. Is it okay now? The same thing I'm saying, Purva Rupa. Anyway, it's the same thing. Understand? But instead of calling Yang Sandhi, in all the books you will see Purva Rupa Sandhi. I also use the same word, Purva Rupa Sandhi. Understand?
Okay.
Yes.
Can we see some more examples in this?
Kalena, in time, we'll see. Don't worry. We'll see. But let us, again, we see from the beginning. How many sandhis? 4 plus 3.
Seven.
Only 7 sandhis.
7.
So with regard to Savana Dirgha, is there any doubt? You must not have any doubt.
No.
Savarna Ak followed with Savarna Ak. So these sandhis, even you should remember in dream. Okay, my teacher says always, there are some questions like 2 a.m. question. It's that was told by his teacher. So it's Parampara Prapti only. Asmadacharya Paryantam, Vande Guru Paramparam, like it is, my teacher is Shankaranandji. His teacher is Swami Brahma Prakashananda, Nagpur Swami Amma. She taught Shankaranandji Sanskritam. Very learned scholarly Swamini. My teacher is more than this guru. Shishya is, he has got a software background, so he will explain him logically, he will think and he will do. Shankaranandji. So he said, what he learned from his guru and what he said, that I'm saying same thing. 2 a.m. question. That is, this question when it is asked to the student, 2 a.m., you will be in deep sleep. What is Ak plus Savana? You have to say Savana Dirgha Sandhi and sleep. Okay, so you should remember like that. So Ak plus Savana Dirgha Sandhi, Ik plus Asavarna Yan Sandhi, Avarna plus Ik is. Whenever Avarna is there, it has to be either Guna or Vriddhi. I'm not including this because the following letter, if it's Savarna, then you don't have to think about Guna or Vriddhi. That's why I always watch the first letter. Always watch the last letter of the first word. Please understand. If it is Ik, then other possibilities are ruled out. It cannot be Savarna, it cannot be Guna or Vriddhi, it could not be H, it could not be any of this thing. If Ik letter follows, then don't worry about Guna and Vriddhi. Ik letter is there in the Purva Padam, followed by Asavarna. It has to be Yan Sandhi alone. It's very easy. You can easily narrow down. Understand? Only if Avarna is there, then you need to find out. Followed by what? When Ik is followed, when Ik is a Purva Padam, then you don't have to think at all. It has to be Yan Sandhi alone. Understand? Avarna is followed by. Now, what is the following letter? If it is Savana, then Savana Dirgha Sandhi. If it is followed by Ik letter, then Guna Sandhi. If it is followed by H, then Vriddhi Sandhi. That is done. This 4. Now, H letter, what is remaining? After Ik and Avarna, H is remaining. When H followed by H, then Ayadi Sandhi. Among the H also, if it is a Yang letter, Padanta Yang, then you should be alert. Padanta Yang is, what is the following letter? The following letter is, suppose if it is not Rasva, okay. Suppose if it is not Akara, then if it is Akara, Ikara, Ukara, then what will happen?
Ayadi only.
It will be Vriddhi only.
Vriddhiya.
Yes, that it will be Ayadi. Yeah.
The Utsarga.
Ayadi Sandhi, Utsarga only. Understand? Both the conditions have to be. Both the conditions have to be fulfilled. If Padanta Yang is there, fine. The following letter is not Rasvakara, not short vowel A. Then it has to be Ayadi Sandhi. Understand?
Yes, sir.
What, Chitraji? All this in Pravesha, Parichaya, you must have learned all these things. You are a master, should be a master in this. Right?
I'm not a master.
Okay, therefore this is a Napavada. Now, after H Sandhi, after Ayadi Sandhi, then if the Yakara will come, Yakara, Vakara. Now watch for that. It is at the end of the Padam, yes, followed by vowel, yes. Then Lopaha can be done optionally. Simple. Understand? You do Nididhyasanam on this. So you will understand. Think about this. These are the important sandhis which we have to know in the beginning. Okay. Sundaraj, what is the doubt?
Charanji, so Lopa is also kind of a subset or only the conditions to be fulfilled by Ayadi if Lopa has to happen?
Lopa is a subset. What subset?
It can't be a subset because we are not considering the letters. It should be first Ayadi and then if the Padam makes, if the Uttara Pada is a meaningful word, then Lopa happens, correct?
No. What is a meaningful? I didn't say anything like that.
So as in, while you were giving examples,
I said Pada. No, Padant. Technically, let us speak technically. Purva Pada ending with Yakara Vakara. Yakara Vakara at the end of the Padam. It is at the end of the Padam. Then what must be the following? Must be a Padam only.
Right.
So, Purva Padam ending with Yakara Vakara followed by a Padam beginning with vowel. Only vowel. Then this Yakara Vakara will become Lopaha optionally.
Sharanji, can I ask this question with respect to the homework you had given us?
Yes, what is that?
Like Nai plus Aka. Aka, while you were explaining, you said Aka, Uka, these don't have an independent meaning, is it?
This is Pratyaya. This is Prakriti.
So we cannot split this further. That's what I meant by it not being a Padam. Therefore, we cannot further make the operation of Lopa Sandhi here.
You cannot do it because when I say Nai plus I, Nai plus Aka, Nai is a Padam. When I say this is a
Prakriti. Can I drop Yakara here? Can I just do Na Aka?
How can you drop Yakara? Is it a Padam? That is my question. I said this is a Pratyaya, this is a Prakriti. If the Nai is a Prakriti, what about Nai? Yesterday I was wearing dhoti and today I am wearing nothing. So I am the same person, right? Yeah. Oh, same thing. Suddenly how Nai will become a Padam? Will it become a Padam?
It's not. I'm saying it's not a Padam. It's not a Padam. It does not have a meaning of its own.
That doesn't matter. Meaning and all, it's not relevant at all. It is a Prakriti. By applying this Sandhi, it has become Nai and you get Nayaka. That's it. Okay. Why meaning and all here? There is no extra things here, meaning and all.
Okay.
This is Nai.
Sorry. This was we were discussing this homework, Sharanji. So yes. The Lopa can happen not for all the homework questions that you have given. But all these Aka, Ana, A, and Aka, all these. So
if you have done, if you have done Lopa, then I will correct it in the homework. Because
we realized it was not Lopa, Sharanji. We realized it was not Lopa. Lopa operation could not be further performed on it because in my mind it was like, okay, Aka does not mean anything.
For remember when I gave this example, I told this Aka is a Pratyaya, Nai is a Prakriti, I told. So because it is a Prakriti, Nai become Nai also Prakriti only. So how does it get Padasanya? It will not get Padasanya. It must have been a Padam before, then it will retain the Padasanya. The last letter of the Padam changes. Because of that, the Padam will not become a Padam. It will continue to be a Padam. Similarly, the last letter of the Prakriti changes into something, it will not become a Padam. It continues with Prakriti. So, what is the condition for to be a Padam? You need to add Supratyaya. Normally, it's a Padam. So, Prakriti is a Prakriti. Therefore, here, Yakara Lopa should not happen, should not be done. Otherwise, what will happen? You will not have the word Nayaka at all. Na Aka alone will stand. Na Aka has got no meaning. Understand? Right. Similarly, Pau plus Aka, all those things.
Okay.
Oh.
Got it. Thank you.
This, what is the homework? This is homework is here in this. No. Okay. What is the doubt in the homework? Somebody asked. What is the homework I gave? What is the document?
That's
Ayadi Sandhi homework you gave.
Nai plus Ak.
Is this the one? Same one?
No.
Nai plus.
You sent it as a document, sir.
Ayadi Sandhi.
Okay.
On WhatsApp.
what document? Let me. Omak Sandhi. Omak Sandhi. This is Omak Sandhi.
Ayadi Sandhi.
1 minute. Let me check.
13 number of
Sandhi. Ayadi Sandhi. Okay. We got it. Only Ayadi Sandhi I sent, right?
Yes.
Okay. You got more homework. Okay, but anyway, I'm not sending it. That was too much for you. I'll do it. Nai plus Aka. Nai plus Aka. Nai is a Prakriti. Aka is a Pratyaya. Okay. So Ayadi Sandhi. Nayaka. Do you have a choice here? Yakara Lopa? No. Yakara Lopa should not be done. Similarly, Po plus Ana. Po is a Dhatu. A form of the Dhatu. Prakriti. Is it a Padam, Chitraji? Yes or no?
No.
No, that's
No.
it. And Ana is a Pratyaya. Po plus Ana. So it's not a Padam. Therefore, what Sandhi?
Lopa cannot be done.
Oh, Lopa cannot be done. When what Sandhi will happen? O plus A.
Pavana.
Pavana. O will be replaced by Au.
Av.
Not Ava.
Av.
Au. I will be replaced by I. Right? Hare plus A. What about this? Hare plus A. Hare is, again, here. You know, what we have done?
A is replaced by I.
So what is Sambodhana of Harishabda?
Hare.
Hare. Sambodhana is
Hare.
Hare.
Hare. So we can take this to be a Padam. Hare is there in Sambodhana? No. Hey Hare,
No.
Hey Hari, Hey Harayaha only is there. Right? Hare plus A. Now this is a Padam. Therefore A also. It's okay. A need to consider as a Padam. It may not be meaningful. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Right? But okay. But it is not, if this is either, see, here we have the possibility. Either you can take Hare to be what? Sambodhana. Yes or no? Hey Hare.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Followed by A. You have to imagine either A as Padam. That is one possibility. Even if you have done like that, it is okay for me. I don't have a problem. Right? But it is not that in the context. What I thought was, what is Chaturthi Bhakti? 4-1 of Harishabda. 5 seconds only, you have to answer immediately. Haraye. That is what my intention here is. Actually, Hari plus what Pratyaya? The Pratyaya is Nge. Remember, Su Aujas, Aushas,
4-1.
Ta Bhyambis. Then after that, what we have?
Nge Bhyam.
Then what happened to Nga is Nakara is Itta letter. Krishna Swamiji. Itta letter, I said no. The name has got, many places this name is there. It's Itta name. This is here also Itta letter. Itta letter, therefore we don't consider as a content of the Pratyaya. Content is only A. It has to be Itta letter to be dropped. Anyway, this out of stuff. Don't ask what it is. Huh? It is not required now. So Pratyaya is A. Hari has become He by some rule, whatever it is. Hari is Prakriti. In this context, I take it as Prakriti. Hare plus A, then what? Then what's in the
Ayadi.
Sandhi? The A will be replaced by I. That's why you have 4-1. Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribi. If you have done Haraye, it is fine. Otherwise, if you have taken Sambodhana, this Hare, that also is okay for me at this point. It's okay. Because there's a possibility you may think Hare is a Padam. Because Hey Hare, Hey Hari is there, Hey Hare, and imagine Padam, it's okay. Doesn't matter. Understand? But that is not what I thought. I thought it is Haraye Chaturthi Bhakti. Ekavachanam. Here it is a pratyaya. This is what?
Padam.
No. When I say this is pratyaya, how can this be some? This is
Prakriti.
That is
pratyaya
Prakriti.
prakriti. If you take this is sambodhana array, then it must, what is A then?
Padam.
If array, exactly, I understand this. If array is a padam, if you consider array to be a padam, then A must be a padam only.
But Sharanji, is there
That,
a pad like A?
no, that's what I'm saying. It's imagined, I'm saying. In the
For the sake of
example, it is
equation.
imagined. Okay. A is not a padam. There is no word A. Meaningful word is not there in the language. But you may think, because you don't know what it is. A array, you will see the Ari Shabda and you will say array is 8-1, right? If you consider this as a padam, then this must be a padam. Let it not be a meaningful word, doesn't matter. For the purpose of example, need not be meaningful. Okay. It's okay. Even if you are thought like that, it's okay for me, I'm saying, right? But actually what I thought was, it is not, A is not a padam, A is a prakriti. That is Nye Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya Nye, preceded by this what array? Array is a form of Ari, it is a prakriti. Prakriti plus pratyaya. Therefore Sandhi is
Ayadi.
Yadi.
Sandhi is
What?
Sandhi is
Ayadi
what?
Sandhi.
Sandhi is
Vad.
Padam.
Sandhi is
Padam.
no.
No,
Sandhi
the
is
Samhitaikapade Nityam
Sandhi is
Dhatu
Nitya. Therefore Sandhi must be done. If it is Prakriti and Pratyaya, Samhita, Nitya, therefore Haraye will come. If it is an individual padam, the Sandhi is optional. Vakyetu vivaksham apekshate. Understand? So you have got both. I mean, anyone, if you have done it, it's acceptable for me. It's okay at this point. But if you take this is a Prakriti, this is a padam, this is a Pratyaya, this is a Prakriti, then you thought what I thought also. That's fine. Okay. Similarly, Vishnu. If A is Prakriti, please listen to me. Ushaji, you answer. If A is Prakriti, what is Vishnu?
That is
Sorry,
all.
A is Pratyaya. Shamitam. A
This
is Pratyaya.
Prakriti.
Vishnu, Prakriti. Then Sandhi.
Sandhi will be Ayayabhava Sandhi. Ayadi Sandhi.
So do it. What do you get?
Vishnave.
Vishnu. O will be replaced by?
Bo.
O will be replaced by?
Ava. Ava.
O is replaced by?
Av.
Yep. How? Not, you have told all the possibility. Finally coming on the, so how? There's no other thing is there. Huh? After all the three, what is left out? How alone? Okay. And Ye Vishnu happened to be in Sambodhana also. Suppose if you are taken to be Sambodhana and this you have this imagined the Padam. That's also okay. Okay. If you have done like that in your homework, it's fine. Then Pau plus Aka. This already clearly told. I told Aka,
Yes.
it's a Pratyaya. So Sandhi between Pau. Pau is, what is Ushaji? Pau.
Pau is not Prakriti.
Oh, really? Then what is that in? Aka is, I said Pratyaya. You are saying Pau is not a Prakriti. What Ushaji, huh?
Pavaka we get.
Let
So
it be
this will be
Pavaka. That doesn't matter.
Yeah.
My question is, what is Pau?
So that is then Prakriti.
You said it's not a Prakriti? Think. Aka is Pratyaya, Pau has to be Prakriti. Sandhi is Samhita. Samhita, what is that? Complete the sentence. What is Chitraji? Samhita.
Samhita is
Is what?
You're on mute.
Very good. When I ask question, can go on mute or internet problem.
Sandhi, proximity of letters.
Samgita, what is complete? Nitya. Sandhi is mandatory.
Nitya between.
I saw one video that work from home. That's a meeting. That the boss will ask question. This person will act as though something internet problem. Will speak with a Like that. Because internet problem.
That's
The
what the
person,
children did during Corona times.
I hope
Sharan.
you're not doing that. Okay.
No, I'm not doing that. I'm too
So,
old for all that tricks, all those tricks.
but I am not that much old. I can do all those tricks.
Even those days, I was very, very sincere and all.
Okay, Pau plus Itra. Itra is, so don't think Itra is Atra, Tatra, Kutra, Itra. Itra is, there is no word Itra in the language. It's a pratyaya. In fact, there is a pratyaya, Itra pratyaya. Pope is, if Itra is pratyaya, what is Someji? What is Pope?
It's Prakriti.
Therefore, Samhita between the two. Do you have choice or it's a must? What's
It's a must.
Someji?
It's a must.
It's a must, right? Your internet is having problem, I know.
No, now it's fine.
That's okay. Therefore, it is Samhita O plus I is O plus E is O will be replaced by what letter? Oh, therefore you get
Pavitra.
Pavitra. That's why you get Pavitra. Here O is replaced by Pavaka. Okay, I think we have to stop here because my throat is paining since morning. I'm doing 6:30. Okay, we'll stop here. Other exercises we will do in next class. And also Savana Dirgha Sandhi, the exercise, a lot of examples are that also just we will quickly read. So this will go for many classes. If it is not boring, if it is boring, then I have to introduce some difficult Sandhi. So you need to scratch your head. So by the time we can do all the exercises.
There is no time to get bored. Head is being fried nicely.
Exactly. Roasted. Roasted.
Vishaji, if you are coming to Rishikesh, you be prepared for this.
Yes,
You will
sir.
bombarded with all these questions, okay?
Oh my God. Yes, sir.
You pray that you don't get me as a teacher there. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. So that's why many people, they don't know. They have got some fear of my class because I don't spare anyone. They have to open their mouth and talk in the class. I ask everyone not to expose their ignorance. That's not the idea. To make them, but it's taken in the wrong way. And therefore, they will say he's a very tough teacher. The Gurukulam, not in the online. Online, there is no time frame. We can do 4 years or 40 years if we survive, it's not a problem. But in the Gurukulam, we don't have time. So students will have pressure. And they have said, commented on me, very tough teacher. It's okay, doesn't matter. But I made a pratigna that everybody will learn. That is my goal, my achieved. Okay. See, always the teaching is a thankless job. I know that. It's okay. My Swamiji also taught. Do you think all the teachers, Sampradaya, they are very grateful and follow her? Not all. If they're grateful and really follow Swamiji, then they all would have become Swamijis. Swamiji himself said, if this Dayananda could not produce one more Dayananda, he regretted. I'm not up to that level. Okay, quality. Trying. Everybody is trying. So I try in my field of Sanskritam to make everyone learn to my level best. Putting them, pressure on them. They have to work. They have no choice. You cannot escape from the class. In the Gurukulam, I remember the third year, the 3 months course, 45 students were there. I didn't spare anyone. Everybody in the class has to answer. So some people, they are afraid they will not commit. And you cannot go further down because my level was the basic level. From higher level, they have come to lower level, thinking that lower level will be comfortable. After coming to my class, they felt very uncomfortable because you have to answer. So it was like that. Anyway, Dhanyavada. I don't know how you take it, whatever it is.
Dhanyavada, Sharan.
Dhanyavada, Sharan.
Absolutely enjoying the classes. It's like very obvious answers, but still, like we have to think for a minute before we answer.
Yes.
It's like bombarded with it, and there's like too many things, like you said, short
Yes,
circuiting in the head. At this
Though
point.
we
Later
have
you,
understood everything,
Very interesting.
still it takes time to answer and sometimes make mistakes and all that. Though we understand everything clearly, then
so later you will see this. This is child's play. It will become easy. This is now in the beginning you may find, okay, there's so many sandhis. When you learn 45 sandhis, then what about this 6 sandhi? Nothing. Right? Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
So
ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.
much.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.